Sometimes people believe that making money online is a scam. I am Taiwo Solomon. Have you ever have some money or save some money in your account thinking of what to do with it? Is it that you plan to invest it on something that can give you money or extra, and you don't know where about or how to do it? With my experience with trading, I would say trading is the best way of making more money without passing through a lot of stress, staying at home to make easy money just by watch how the market moves. Today, I will convince you to do online trading to make more money. Specifically, I will tell you why we need more money, the reason why we need more money, and the best way to get more money. According to John Gavin's website, Access on April 29, 2020, there are many things we need money on, and there are many things that have been taking a lot of money from us, which always want us to want more money. So, therefore, we can say, for example, that the cost of living is high to the extent that most of the money we have is not enough for us to take care of our needs. Sometimes we have to try to get an apartment, and that apartment might not even be what we desire. But due to the money we have at hand, we have to we have to take it without having a choice. And some of us, the type of job we have can really, the salary we get can really provide for that. So we manage and still becoming more poorer every day. According to Washington Post website by Rani Mali, Access April 29, 2020, another issue or another problem why we spend money every time is that when there is no job. Lacking of job give us no give us no room of having enough for ourselves or to be able to care for our needs. So therefore, we tried all of our best to to make sure that we'll be able to take care of our needs, but at the same time, there is not enough at hand. So I will be bringing a solution to this, which is trading online. Online trading basically would would give us access to make more money online. According to my video by Casper Trader 2020 April 18, talks about how to buy and sell stock on Robin beginner guide. It is on my video link on YouTube, which talk about how we can buy and sell stock and have gain more money and have more money to ourselves. For example, we will see on Robinhood different stocks, cryptocurrencies. But before we go to that stage, we first of all download Robinhood. It's either our phone on our Android phone or our iPhone, or we can go to the website robinhood.com. Then we have to register. After we might have registered with them, we will be given a free stock. A free stock. So the free stock is for us to check how the platform works. So after we might have been given this stock, we should go to Yahoo Finance. This Yahoo Finance, they are a group of traders, experts that talks about stocks and cryptocurrencies. So we check if this stock is moving or is moving forward or going backward. So if it's moving backward, then we need to buy. We check if they are predicting, we predict, we check, we watch. If it's moving downward, then we buy it. Then after we might have bought it, then we see if it's moving. So you will now decide, is it the right time for you to sell? Have you make profit? Have you make enough money for yourself, or is it the right time? You still have to go back to the finance, to Yahoo Finance, and check if people are selling or buying more. So therefore, after we might have sold this, then that's how we make more money to ourselves. But make sure that you you basically check if this stock are moving or not before you buy. And make sure that if this stock are going to make more profit before you sell also. So therefore, today I've persuaded you to do online trading to make more money. I have explained why we need more money, what we spend money on, and the best way to get more money. Yes, it is possible to make more money online, and not every online making making money platform is a scam. We just not have to get our sources right. Thank you.